My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. It was great speaking with you guys today. I made a short video, like I said, I would for PT heating and air conditioning services. In the short video, I'll be discussing 3 things you could do today to bring in more business, more customers to your business actually. And I'll try to keep it short and sweet. The 3 things I'm going to be discussing are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Now let's get right to it. The first thing I want to talk about is content. As you can see, I'm on your home page already. That'll be content. That's basically anything that's on this home page: pictures, videos, words, all that. And just as a general rule, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page to help you outrank your competition and to help you get picked up by Google in the search results. So 1,500 keyword rich words you want to have on this home page. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. Now, I went ahead and did a little search, heating and air conditioning NYC, to pull up a search, which basically how customers will look at it when they pull up a search like this as well. So the top part right here is the Google Guaranteed section. In this section, it's a paid service through Google in which you got to go through a verification process with them, and once they approve you, you're allowed to advertise right here. It's a great place to advertise because it's the first thing that pops up, and also it gives really good leads. After that, we move down to the traditional Google Ads section, this one right here. This one is a hit or miss depending on the type of advertisement it is, the link, the offer, and the words. And a lot of people nowadays got something called an ad blocker, which if it's enabled, they're not going to see this at all. So like I said, it's a hit or miss. It depends on how it's placed and if it's going to pay your money back or not. Then we move down to this section right here. I'll explain to you right here what a citation is. So citation is basically anywhere on the web where it allows you to input your business information, such as your business name, address, and phone number. That counts as a citation. And this place right here is a perfect example of it. As you can see, name, address, phone number. Even more, hours of operation, website link. So that's a big citation, and this section is definitely, I recommend any business should want to be at, and we specialize in getting businesses to this top 3 section. After this, we move down to this section right here, which is called the organic section. Over here, you'll find the websites which have actually organically beat out and outranked the competitors and made it to the first page of the search on Google. The first page is where everybody wants to be at, and we also specialize in pushing companies to the first page of Google. The last thing I want to talk about will be backlinks. So a backlink is basically any website out there which provides a link to your website, potentially sending you traffic and keywords. And I use this tool right here called Ahrefs. I pay for it every month, but it's a really good tool. It gives me information, and from that information I can assess the performance of any website. As you can see, I put in your guys' information, ptairco.com, and it's showing me that you only have 16 referring domains, giving you 86 backlinks, giving you 15 organic keywords, but it's not getting you any traffic. This number is the number of visitors that come to a website per month. Now, it's not 100% accurate, but they get their data straight from Google, so it'll be pretty close. Now, to compare this to a top competitor in New York City, I'll show you their numbers right now. There we go. Big difference in the numbers. Let's just run through them. 716 referring domains, 3,100 backlinks, almost 27,000 keywords, and at least 26,000 people visiting their website every single month. Now, this is the kind of numbers you want to be hitting, or at least be headed to. So this is your guys' information right here. Now, to boost all these numbers, it's very doable by implementing some great techniques, and you can move these up to the thousands, especially your number of visitors to your traffic. Let's go back to your website. Now, you made the website, you invested in there, and you definitely want people coming and looking at it and potentially becoming your guys' customers. So I told you I'll keep it short and sweet. That's all I had for today. I hope you found this video to be educational for you. If you'd like to know more on how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call. I'd love to chat. And also, if you could please give me some feedback on what you thought about this video and how I did, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video, and you have a great day.